Okay, so we have an old Dell power supply here. The goal today is to show you how to power up any power supply without it being connected to a computer. This can be useful for a number of things, including powering your computer. There is risk to it. You could blow up your power supply as well as your other computer parts. So if you're not 100% sure you want to do this, you should probably not do it. But if you know what you're doing, there shouldn't be any trouble. So use this at your own risk. What you got to do, you got to find the green cable, which is right there. And you got to go to a black one, which is these three. So, but usually you want to go from green, skip, and then black, and that's the ground. So what we're going to do, this is a 24-pin connection, and you got to go green to black. So let's go ahead and start this up. From green to black is what our goal is. What you'll need is this. It's a copper, or not copper, just regular wire. I have electrical tape on it for safety purposes, but as long as it's contact to contact, you should be fine. It can be most any kind of wire, but just make sure it's a decent wire so it doesn't burn up or something. But I have electrical tape on there for protection purposes, but we're just going green to black. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that's green. We're going to go ahead and pop it in there, make sure it's making contact. Then we're going to go skip one, and then we're going to go straight to this black ground. Now once that's in there, now I didn't cut this out right, but you can cut it out perfectly to make it just fit snug, and then there's no excess wire, but we're just going to keep it like that. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in now, and it should be good to go. Okay, we do have power. You can probably hear it. This thing is now on. What I'm going to do to show that it's on, I'm going to go ahead and power on a fan. I have a fan here. It's plugged in. This is an Arctic cooling fan. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in right up here to show you some of these things. And we have power, as you can see. The fan is spinning. That is a successful power supply without being plugged into a computer. This can be used for a number of things, as I said, to power your machine when your other power supply isn't working properly. If you don't have enough power, it can really be used for a bunch of things, but best of all, it's just used for rigging, which is always fun to do. So that's the guide for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is very useful, as you can see, because you can power stuff without it being plugged into your computer. It's always useful to have anything like that. So thanks for viewing this video, and be sure to check out my other ones.